In today's video, I'm going to teach you learn how to connect Notion to your Google Calendar and add Notion #, productivity Google Calendar. First, open your preferred web browser and head to Google Calendar. Make sure you're signed in to the Google account that has the calendar you want to display in Notion. It's important to be on the correct account to avoid connecting the wrong calendar. Next, on the left side, find the My Calendar section. Hover your mouse over the specific calendar you want to embed, click the three dots that appear, and choose Settings and Sharing. This opens the detailed settings for that calendar so you can enable the permissions needed for Notion to show it. Scroll to the section labeled Access Permissions for Events. Turn on the option called Make Available to Public. This is required for the embed to work. Just a quick privacy note, making a calendar public means anyone with the link can view it. If you're concerned about sensitive details, consider using a dedicated calendar with only the events you're comfortable displaying. Now continue down to the Integrate Calendar section. You'll see a public URL and an embed code. Copy either one. The public URL is usually the simplest to use and works perfectly with Notion, but the embed code will also do the job if you prefer it. Switch over to Notion and go to the page where you want your Google Calendar to appear. In the page, type /embed and paste the link, or simply paste the URL directly into the page. When Notion prompts you, click Create Embed. Notion will generate the inline calendar automatically. You should now see your Google Calendar inside Notion. Keep in mind this integration is read only. You can view events and check your schedule from Notion, but you won't be able to add or edit events here. Any changes still need to be made directly in Google Calendar, and they'll update in Notion as the calendar refreshes. Use this embedded calendar to keep track of meetings and events, glance at your day without switching apps, and keep Notion as your central productivity hub. It's especially handy on planning pages, dashboards, or team hubs where you want a quick, always available view of what's coming up. Before you finish, scroll within the embed and resize it so it fits your page layout. Confirm that events display correctly and update in real time. And that's it. You've successfully connected Google Calendar to Notion. This simple setup helps you stay organized, save time, and manage your schedule from one place. If you found this helpful, please like the video and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials.